When you are dealing with rusted or stuck bolts, choosing the right spray can save you a lot of time and frustration. Two of the most popular products for the job are WD-40 and PB Blaster. Let's find out which one is better and faster at freeing rusted bolts. WD-40 was originally made for water displacement and general lubrication, not specifically for breaking loose rusted bolts. Over time, people found many other uses for it, such as loosening stuck parts and stopping squeaky noises. It is also great for protecting tools from rust. It also helps keep moisture away from electrical parts. This is useful for things like car engines, battery terminals, and outdoor power tools. Many people like to keep a can of WD-40 around because it works on so many different problems. WD-40 is very easy to use. Simply spray it on the area, wait a few minutes, then wipe or try to move the part free. It has a thin formula that spreads quickly and reaches into small gaps. This makes it a good choice for general maintenance jobs around the home or garage. WD-40 might not be strong enough to loosen bolts that are very rusty and stuck tight, but it works well for light rust and general lubrication. If the rust is heavy, you will likely need a stronger product, like a special rust remover such as PB Blaster. PB Blaster is powerful penetrating oil that is specially made to loosen heavily rusted or frozen bolts, nuts, and other stuck metal parts. Unlike WD-40, PB Blaster is designed specifically to break through tough rust and corrosion. One of its biggest advantages is how well it works on bolts that will not move. It can loosen even those stuck tight after years of moisture and weather exposure. When sprayed, it soaks deep into the small gaps between rusted threads. This helps break the rust that is holding everything tightly together. This makes it a popular choice among mechanics, DIY users, and anyone working on old vehicles or machinery. Another benefit of PB Blaster is that it often makes tough jobs easier and faster. It also leaves behind a protective layer that helps prevent future rust. Overall, PB Blaster is one of the best options for freeing stuck bolts. It works well on parts that other sprays cannot loosen. Both WD-40 and PB Blaster can help with stuck bolts, but they work best in different situations. WD-40 is good for light rust and everyday jobs. PB Blaster is stronger and usually works better for bolts that are really rusted and hard to move. If you have a tough job, PB Blaster is usually stronger and works faster to make it easier.